In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to charge credit cards on Stripe quick and easy. By the end, you'll feel confident taking a one-time payment from a customer right inside your Stripe dashboard, with a clear understanding of what to look for along the way. First, open your Stripe dashboard and sign in. Make sure you are using the correct account for your business and that you have the necessary permissions to accept payments. It's a good habit to glance at the top bar to confirm you are in the right workspace and ready to process a live charge for a real customer. Once you are in, look to the left-hand menu and find Payments. This is your central hub for all transactions, where you can see recent activity, statuses, and details about each charge. Click Payments to open it, and you'll be in the right place to create a new charge. Next, click Create a Payment, then choose One-Time Payment. This option is perfect for a single charge, such as a product sale, a service fee, or a one-off invoice. If you see other options like recurring or subscriptions, ignore those for now. One-time payment is exactly what we need for a straightforward charge. Now, enter the payment amount and select the correct currency. Be precise. Double-check that the amount reflects taxes, discounts, or shipping. If those apply to your situation, since Stripe will charge exactly what you enter. Then, add the customer's card details. You'll typically see fields for the card number, expiration date, CVC, and sometimes the cardholder's name and billing address. Accurate billing information can reduce declines and help with fraud checks. Only enter card details that the customer has authorized you to use and avoid storing card information outside of Stripe. If you notice a typo or an expired date, fix it before proceeding to avoid a declined charge. When everything looks correct, click Charge. Stripe will process the transaction immediately. You should see a confirmation with the payment status succeeded, pending, or declined, along with a reference you can use for follow-up. If a decline occurs, review the error message for hints like insufficient funds or incorrect 195. And carefully recheck the details with the customer before trying again. After a successful charge, the new payment will appear in your payments list, where you can review the receipt details and payment timeline. If your receipt settings are enabled, Stripe can automatically send a receipt to the customer. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable. Thanks for watching.